Welcome about TikTok ads. And now we are close to testing your product. I don't know if you're gonna test it with Meta or with TikTok. I really recommend you to test with Meta. I use TikTok nowadays to boost sales. When I have a Meta campaign running and I have a product that's running, then I can add TikTok. But before, this is just a year ago or something, I tested a lot of products with TikTok ads. I always tested with like $50 on Meta and $50 on TikTok. So I tested it both ways. That's also a way you can do it. I'm not so happy about the results on TikTok ads. I think it depends a lot on TikTok, that they are pushing TikTok Shop a lot in US, UK, and now even France. They don't want you to leave their platform. They're pushing you to sell inside their platform. And TikTok Shop, a lot of people doing dropshipping in TikTok Shop, but they don't want you to leave their platform. We want people to leave the platform. We want to show our product and we want to get them to our site where we decide what they will do. So it's hard. But of course, I will show you. Sometimes TikTok can really surprise you. And also if you're running to like a smaller country or something like that, like my country, Sweden, we don't have TikTok Shop. And we have a lot of users on TikTok. So in Sweden, it's very good to run TikTok ads. And I will show you how to easily set up a testing campaign on TikTok. We will go to our store. We will choose apps and we will choose TikTok. Before you do this, you need to open a business account on TikTok. Okay? You also need a profile, a TikTok profile, and that's new. Before it was really easy to do TikTok ads. You could just install it here and you had it. But now you need a TikTok profile connected to your business account. And this is a little bit stupid, I think, with TikTok also, because on Meta, it's the same thing. You connect Facebook page that runs the ads. But in Meta, you can have a lot of Facebook pages. So you have one for, like now when I run this brand, Cara, you maybe have one for another brand and one for another brand and one. So when people are clicking on your ads and checking it, they see, oh, this company is running these ads, and they click on it, oh, it's Cara. That makes sense. But on TikTok, you have only one profile that is running the ads for all your ad accounts. So don't name it Cara, don't name it the brand, you have to name it something otherwise. Name it like, one idea is to name it like company that run ads or something like that. Promo company or something like that. But I will show you actually how you can run ads without this profile. But you need a profile to set up the business account. But I will show you. We install, just push install, set it up, and a little bit similar to Meta, they ask you to connect your business account. So you log into your TikTok for business, you connect, they connect you. Then you go to your TikTok Ads Manager and you create a new one. Data sharing, you choose maximum and you get a pixel and you confirm. So what we have done here is just follow the steps. We have connected our business account for TikTok. We have connected our new ad account and we are choosing maximum data sharing for our pixel. And we put in some company information. If you don't have a company, it's private, and then you just put in your personal number and things like that. But here I put in my company number and my what number, of course. Better in the future. When you have a company, this is good. Finish set up. And we are ready to run on TikTok. So I will go to our ads manager. So that's ads.tiktok.com. So go there. So now we are in the TikTok Ads Manager. And what we need to do now is actually go to Tools, you go to Finance, and you put in your credit card or your bank card, because otherwise we can't start our ads. The other thing we do is that we go to, let's see, events. It's a lot of confirming and things like that, but now we will go to events and we go to data source, pixel, And here we have our pixel, and nothing has happened on our pixel. You see, no add to carts, no purchases, no add payment info, nothing. So what this makes is that then we can't run ads. TikTok is working a little bit different to Meta. So if you haven't had any add to carts, you can't run ads for add to cart. We don't want to run ads for add to cart. We want to run ads for purchases only. So to get that, we need to have purchases on our store. So how we will get purchases on our pixel is that we go to our store, go to discounts, we will create a new discount, amount of order is code, and put it test, percentage 99%, and save it. Now we have a discount code for 99%. Then we open up our events again here, and we push this one, you see, to open up a QR code. And then we go to our mobile phone and we put it up, and it will open our store on our mobile phone. Now we will put something in the bag on our mobile store. We go to checkout, we put in all the information, we put in the discount code, test, apply, and we will buy it. I would just put in my credit card number. So, and we buy it. Thank you, Niklas, we have bought the product. And there we get the ka-ching from Shopify that we have bought something from Kara. So, perfect. Now we know that everything is working. And you see here, now we got it. We got view content, add to cart, image in a checkout, add payment, purchase. And don't worry, we have a testing code, so discount code. So this cost me like $3 because I needed to pay shipping, but that one we will get back. So that's not a problem. You can take away you can delete this discount, so no one else is using it. And then you see we have one order here that we can cancel later. And you see everything is working. We have made like $3-4 today. So now we have set up our pixel with that we did our own purchase. So now our pixel knows add to cart, it knows a purchase, it now knows when people are putting in their payment information and everything. So what we do now is that we want to create our campaign. And like I said in the beginning, before you do that, also put in your credit card or your card information here at Tools, Finance. So what we do now, we go to Create, we go to Sales, Website Conversion, and we want to switch to the full version. Confirm. That easy setup they're showing you they are the TikTok Advantage Plus. We don't want to do that. So we go Sales, Website, Manual, not Smart Campaign. We don't want to use catalog, so if this is checked in, check out campaign name, Kara, and test. Campaign budget optimization, it is CBO. Here, the smallest amount you can do on TikTok is $50, so we do $50. Ad group, we put UK, Ireland, like we had, and we put females, and we put open, exactly like we did on the Meta campaign. We have our pixel, and we change this to purchase. Always go for purchases, and that's why we did this with the event from the start, because we don't want to go for anything else than purchases. If you put add to cart here, you're gonna get people who add to cart, and we don't want that. Oh, we want people to add to cart, but we want them to go all the way. Automatic placement, seller placement, we put away global app and Pangle. A global app is run ads on CapCut and things like that TikTok owns. And Pangle, I really don't know what Pangle is, so we just want to run our ads on TikTok. Advanced settings, I choose to turn off the comments, I turn off that, and I turn off that. You can leave your comments on, but then you need to be active with your ads and check the comments, because bad comments can kill your ads. And on TikTok, it's very easy to get bad comments. They will comment directly, dropshipper, I bought and I never get the it delivered, but it's your first day of running the ads. But maybe they bought the same product from someone else or something. So turn that off. Broad targeting is the best. I agree. I take away Sweden because we're not gonna run on Sweden. United Kingdom, and we put in Ireland because we did that in the other also. So like that, we put in these 2 countries. We do our ads for 18 plus. We don't show our ads to 13 to 17 because they are maybe borrowing their parents' credit card or something, and you will get chargebacks. We choose female. Again, this is because my product is very female oriented. If you have a product that's very female oriented, you can choose female. If you have a product that goes only to men, you choose both anyway. And if you have a product, of course, that's related to everyone, you choose all. Languages, you can leave it on, and we don't change anything else. And here, we will start our ads at midnight the next day. I will choose my time to Sweden, because I live in Sweden. It's easier to follow your ads. Actually, it's quite good because when they updated this one, it was always on your time before, but then they activated this one that you can choose. I was like, why should you do that? But it can be good if you're running ads on like US because they are 6 hours in front of us because you want your ads to spend for a whole day, you know. So, and then you choose to publish your ads at midnight, always at midnight. Actually, I'm not gonna do that this time because it's early in the day here, and we put on the ads for the meta campaign for this product at midnight. In this course, I want to show you 3 days of when we read the data. I want to show you 3 days from TikTok and 3 days from Meta. Actually, in another case, I wouldn't have done this test campaign on TikTok. Actually, I had only done the test campaign for Meta for my product. But I will do it now because I want to show you in the course how to read the data on TikTok also. So I am actually starting my campaign right now. We continue. And one thing also to understand is TikTok is a little bit different. It's of course younger people. The ads should be a little bit quicker. So you will see that ads that work on Meta can work on TikTok, but TikTok ads doesn't always work on Meta. So you put in use smart creative ads, and this is where before you can do a custom profile every time you do ads on TikTok. Now you can't do that anymore. You need to have a TikTok profile connected. And that TikTok profile maybe has another name or something. We don't want that. So one way around this is to use smart creative ads. Now you can set a custom profile, and our profile will be Kara. So we choose Kara as a custom profile, and we just uploaded a clean logo. It's perfectly fine. And now we will add our videos or images. And in this campaign, you can add up to 30 videos. So we are uploading all our 10 videos. So we are uploading all our 10 videos. Upload. And now all our 10 ads are uploaded with push confirm. We go down, and now we will just enter a text. And in TikTok, the text is a little bit different between Meta and TikTok. Here, we just want something quick, like this. Claim my 50% off. Claim your 50% off now. We can add one more. Fall sale ends soon. Sale ends midnight. 50% off. And like I said, I don't like doing these pushy things, but in TikTok it's fine, you can do it. Call to action. We take away all, and we just choose shop now. So we don't do anything here. We will go to our product page, take our product link, we go back, we paste that in, and you can always preview, so it works, and we are done. You publish it. So we are doing one campaign, one ad set, and 10 ads in a smart creative ads. Congratulations, your ad is in review, and then it will start and we will analyze it. So Same thing with Meta here. Now your campaign is up and running, or it should be start running at midnight, and you can just leave it for 3 days and then you will check the data. Okay? So, and actually, like I said, a little bit of tip, if you want to run TikTok, what I would do is I would run $50 on Meta and $50 on TikTok. That can be a good test also, because I don't think you should skip Meta, because Meta is to 2025. It's a lot longer lifespan on the ads, and so Meta is a lot better, I think. But this can really also push your store, and TikTok is good to push a little bit extra with ads. Sometimes, of course, if you have a product that's really to like young girls or something, then TikTok will be good. So try it out. I have given you the blueprint of how to run a test campaign.